morning so far. Hi. Hi, is that a smile? Hi.
What in the heck is going on?
What are you doing?
I don't know what's happening to me.
Run, babe, run! Five. High five, you did a good job. It's a rainy day outside, isn't it, Bubba? I'm sorry you can't play outside today. That's no fun, huh? I know. Morning. It is raining cats and dogs here. It is supposed to rain all day. It thunderstormed all night. It kept me awake. Cash slept really well and Carter slept really well in his bed, right? Yeah, like a big boy.
Tell them that I didn't get up because the first time when it was thundering, I was scared, but I stayed in my bed when it was thundering, and when it did this.
You're such a big boy. You're gonna have to come up with some stuff to do inside. I really want to rearrange my bedroom. I don't know if I'm gonna get around to doing that. Cash is asleep right now in the living room in the DockATot. That's usually where he sleeps the best. And we are waiting on Jeff to bring back coffee and tacos. I was able to rearrange my room just a little bit. I had my husband help me move the bed before he went to work. I picked up this from an antique store that I like to go to, and it's just like an old chippy window frame thing. This one is actually missing, but that's okay. It gives it some character. I don't mind. But I want to hang this up above our bed. So this is the bed right here. It used to be on this wall, and I gotta figure out what I'm doing with that. But this is where we move the bed, and I'm gonna put it up here with a wreath. So I think that that's gonna look really pretty once it's done. And Cooper's playing the iPad over here.
Hi guys, I'm videoing on the camera today, so I've been working. I have my stuff in my pocket, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, so today I'm doing a video by me and my mom working today, okay? See you guys later. Bye.
This is the completed project. I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. So this right here was thrifted from my favorite antique shop that I visit about 45 minutes from my house. And then this is one of those fake magnolia wreaths from Hobby Lobby. If you go whenever their floral wreaths are on sale, they are $30. So that one is $30. The real magnolia one is over $100. So yeah, I would say just pick up one of those because from far away you can't even tell. And yeah, I'm just really happy with the way that turned out. Now I have to work on this wall. I haven't taken this stuff down yet. I think I'm gonna do like a whole different thing over here. Y'all are gonna have to excuse this because it looks like I'm probably not gonna get around to doing my hair today because that's just real life. But Cash is thinking about going to sleep in here. I'm not sure. That would be great. He's kind of like has the hiccups and they're kind of making him mad. But I wanted to show y'all the rug that I got for my laundry room. It came in. I ordered it off of Amazon, and I will link it below in case you're interested. This would be really cute like at your sink, which I'm thinking about ordering one for under my sink. So this is what the rug looks like. It's just very like farmhouse kind of looking, and it's actually pretty soft. I mean, it's not like real soft, it's not like cotton or anything, but for a jute rug, it's really soft, and it has this really nice pattern on it, so it's not just like a solid jute, but I really like it. I think it matches the laundry room pretty well. What's up, bub? What is that?
A feather.
A feather? So the rain finally cleared off a little bit. It's still like really gray outside. We're sitting outside, the boys are playing on the swing set, and Cash is about asleep in my arms. He's been really good today. I am cutting out dairy from my diet. I had a lot of people suggest that I do that, but he also has a doctor's appointment tomorrow for them to kind of see whether or not they think he should be on medication. I switched my chai teas that I usually got with regular milk to soy milk, and I started buying soy milk. I've been having almond milk in my cereal, and then I just make my chai teas with soy milk instead. I know that some kids can have like a dairy and soy allergy, but we're gonna start with dairy and go from there. Because mommy might go insane if I cannot have my chai tea lattes. Jeff is actually supposed to be home early tonight because of the rain. My dog is over here. Because of the rain, practice was canceled, baseball practice, so yeah. So he will be home early tonight, which makes me very happy. He said he was gonna bring home dinner. I'm so cozy in this little blanket. Little smiles. Honey, I think you got it all. Are you eating it? I see you. Cooper. What'd you do that for? Go down the slide. He's afraid to go down the slide. What are you eating for dinner, buddy?
Ham or peanut butter.
A ham and peanut butter sandwich? How is it? Good morning, little man. Good morning. Hi. Hi. You are so cute. Hello. Talk to me. Talk to me. Okay, so it is the next day, and my husband came home last night, and I just enjoyed some time with him because he's never home early like that. He was home at like 7 o'clock maybe, which is like really early for him. So I just enjoyed the time with him. He brought home some Chipotle for dinner, and we watched a movie. We watched Revolutionary Road. I know that that's a really old movie, but neither one of us had never seen it before, and that was intense. And then we went to bed, and this morning we went to bed late. Well, we kind of always go to bed late, but we went to bed at like 1 o'clock in the morning. And then the boys had school this morning, and my alarm went off, and I sat up and everything. I was sitting Indian style, and I ended up leaning over and putting my head like on the bed, and I fell asleep that way. I woke up and it was 9 o'clock, and I was like, oh my gosh, my kids have to be at school at 9 o'clock. And Cash was like asleep, of course, and I just like passed out in that weird position. So I had like lines on my head and stuff. But I'm just ending this vlog the next day because last night I was just enjoying my time with my husband. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.